What's up, everybody? It's Zach here with LsBluu YouTube channel, and today's video I'm showing you guys my new toy. I have finally gotten myself something worth having. I have a reliable vehicle now. I don't have to worry about breaking down, hopefully, but here it is. It's a 2012 Ram 1500 Express. It's got the 5.7 Hemi in it, 6-speed auto. It is 2-wheel drive, but I have good plans for it. I'm going to take it. I'm going to bring the rear down about 4 inches, and maybe the front about 2 inches. Do a 2.4 drop on it. I'm not going to do anything crazy with it. Horsepower wise, it's going to be the tow pig for LsBluu. Mainly because this past weekend, as you saw LsBluu, if you watched the video, here's a link. LsBluu wasn't able to make it home, and I'm tired of that. I'm tired of having to drive it to the track, change tires in the parking lot. So I have a tow pig now that we are going to use to pull it to the track, pull it to races, pull it to LS Fest, anything else that I go to with the truck. 130,000 miles on it, clean title. It's a very, very nice truck. It is 100% rust free. So let me show you. So it's a crew cab, and I'm not a big fan of the double cabs. It's not leather. I didn't spend a lot of money on a truck because it's got enough options for me. I don't need a Laramie or a Bighorn or anything like that. It does have WeatherTechs in it. Ignore the small mess. I've had it for about 2 weeks now, and I've just been waiting to show you guys on a nice pretty day. But as you can see, no rust, period. Nice new tires, window tint. It just looks nice. The only grievance that I have with the truck is right there. The people that owned it, their boat, I guess, slipped off the ball and they had a little accident. That is the only spot on the truck that is bad, I guess. We got doggies. Dog likes to bark a lot. I'm sorry. 132,000 miles. Just a nice unit. Got some Mountain Dews. Oh, can't ever have too many Mountain Dews. Throw this away. Rust free all the way around. But this is my new tow pig. I am 100% in love with this truck. It rides and drives like a dream, and I couldn't be happier with it. It is silent, and that's the way it's going to stay. I'm not going to put any type of exhaust on it or anything. It's just going to stay silent. It's just your typical Hemi. Oh. It's got a nice little rumble to it. If I wanted horsepower, I would have just drove the S10. Cannot complain for the newest vehicle and nicest vehicle I've ever owned. I'm very happy with it, and I can't wait to do a couple little things to it. LED headlights, LED fog lights, LED reverse lights, all the good stuff that, you know, makes it pop. Clear markers there, debadging it and taking the step bars off. I've always wanted one of these trucks, and now I have one. But that's going to be all for this video. Just wanted to show you guys the new tow pig, see what you guys think about it. Like I said 15 times, I love it, and I can't wait to put a lot of miles on it. It's going to be a good truck, hopefully. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you click thumbs up, drop a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you.